What's your puppy's name?
Poppy.
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 Yeah.
Okay.
Poppy for puppy. Poppy. What is that, huh?
And your name is?
I'm Brandon. Well, I came from Whidbey Island. I've been homeless 16 years now from on. Came down here and I heard about tent cities before, so I just decided to come down here and...
Thank you for calling 223. This is Alonzo. How can I help you? I put myself here. Had some difficulties in life, like everybody does, and my way of getting away from it was to go on streets.
I don't think you introduced yourself on camera.
My name's Alonzo.
Alonzo. And your last name? Just Alonzo.
I can give you a tour of the camp. Okay. Real quick. Me and my husband actually moved here due to the death of my daughter. And I was pregnant with another child at the time. I gave birth to her and she lived 27 minutes. So this is actually our kitchen area where everyone just comes and eats whenever you get ready.
Okay, I want to go and eat.
All right.
You know, didn't have a mother figure, parent figure, so we were doing stupid stuff, and she finally kicked us out, and I got kicked out about when I was probably 15 or 16 years old.
Card for Miss Patty from someone. She wanted me to give that to, or she wanted for y'all to give it to Miss Patty, if that would be all right.
Okay.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
And where were you from originally? You said
Florida?
Florida. And what brought you all the way to
Delta.
Delta.
Delta brought me up here.
So I wanted to be out of New Orleans. I didn't want to be there no more. And I needed some other place. My husband's sister lives up here, so she was like, just come up here.
Got it. Yeah.
I miss the food. That's the only thing I miss about back home is I miss my food.
The gumbo and what's your favorite?
I love jambalaya.
Jambalaya?
Yeah, which I can make it from scratch, but unfortunately you can't do it here.
I have ADHD, slow learning disability. I was born with a hole in my heart. Quite a few other things. I'd rather not.
That's okay.
Yeah, discuss, but that's the gist of it so far.
This is where you stay.
Yeah.
And you've been here how many months now?
Huh? Been here for about almost a month.
Okay.
Yeah. Clean and tidy.
You got an iPad or what, Android tablet there?
Tablet.
Watch some movies?
Yeah, hell yeah, I'll watch Netflix. Beer, get warm. Relax. Got it.
Yeah. Well, thanks for showing me where you hang out, where you stay.
This right here is our TV room, which is called a common area where they can come in here, charge, watch TV. And there's a heater or so in there so they can get warm.
It's like more or less a gypsy camp. It's just like one. We're self-sustaining ourselves. We have rules here. We follow the rules, or we leave. There's no drinking, no drugging, no violence. So we do have children here. We check the sex offenders. If children have to come in here, they can come here. It's a safe place for people.
I keep up with everybody in camp. I keep up whether we have securities. We have securities that everyone has to do, and I just keep up with the count every week. I keep up with who's in here. I run your name to make sure you're not a sex offender. And this is another male's dorm. Because right now we really don't have any families. That's the family area over there.
So, but there's no tent up there.
No, we just don't have families right now. Which is a great thing.
You don't want families on the street.
No children,
nobody should
especially not in this weather.
Yeah, this weather is nasty.
They have to work within the community.
Okay.
Our securities, we do so many securities a week. It fluctuates on how many people are actually in camp. You know, I've seen it down as low as 2 securities a week, and like this week it's up to 5.
But there's still certain things that we all have to hold up to while we're here, and that's what makes the camp run the way it does, and it's held together.
I fly a sign every now and then, and people look down at me for flying a sign, and it's just like, you know, sorry guys, it's like, you know, maybe, you know, people need to do something more about jobs and about our situations and stuff like that. So instead of degrading us about, you know, our homeless life, instead of helping us out, you know.
I would like kids to see this encampments and know what it is and why people are here, so they can avoid being here.
Yeah.
So when their time comes to be, you know, leave mom and dad, they realize that yes, we have to work hard to keep a roof over my head and food on my table.
I get my money on the first, and that's about it.
So you get a disability check or something?
Yeah, I get ABD programs from DSHS.
Okay.
That's only like 200 something a month. Well, $197, $30 extra for him. So that's about $230 a month.
That's not much money.
No, God, I was just gonna say that. No, it's not. No, nowhere near enough money. So that's So we survive, you know.
So were you homeless in New Orleans as well, or?
So my first house was destroyed during Hurricane Katrina, and I never got the little bit of money that I got of Hurricane Katrina. I just turned around and purchased another home from that, and then I ended up and had to sell it to make sure my daughter was put away appropriately. And that caused me to go through some mental issues for a while. So when I came here, I like helping other people. So this was a way that I could keep my mind off what's done happened to me within this past year to help someone else.
Yeah. There's a lot of good people out in this world, and the city of Seattle is amazing. You know, I see this lady right here. She brings us donations, or not donations, but this is a Greater Seattle Cares. She's awesome. She comes up and helps us out.
I hope to get my Social Security here soon. That's what I'm hoping on. I'm actually waiting on a letter right now as we speak for to get it have it get approved.
And then if you get that, what
happens? What happens is I'm going to be off of the streets. Is what's going to happen. I'm not going to be in this predicament anymore.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
Get an apartment.
Get an apartment, a whole work. Save my money away. Don't spend it stupidly. So whole works.
I don't know if you're believing God or not. I do. I'm a very strong believer in God. I think God takes care of those who take care of themselves. You know?
So tell me about that. About your belief in God.
I looked at myself one day and didn't like it. So I changed it. And you know, and I don't preach to people. I don't say you're doing this wrong. I don't judge people. I just, you know, one of my favorite things I tell her is, you know, just do the next right thing. You know, and if you tell the truth, you know, I remember what I said. I got these little sayings in my mind, and I repeat them daily. Yeah. I pray. I give thanks for the things that God's given me and the blessings I get, and like I said, I'm very, very blessed. I am.
It gets rough, but if you're here a while, everybody sort of begins to be like family. So you get used to it.
Who's your tribe, I guess, huh?
Yes.
I guess life is what you make it.
Yeah.
You can be miserable or you can be happy.
Yeah.
I choose to be happy. God bless. and thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for letting me spend some time with you. Thank you, Tent City 3, for allowing me to spend some time with you. And thanks especially to Brandon, Candi, and Alonzo for sharing your stories with us. I hope this video has opened your eyes as it has mine, so that you can be a little bit more cognizant about what it's like to be homeless. I'm going to leave some links on screen and in the description below for how you might get more involved in your neighborhood. And also share this video, because I'm sure there's other people who this would be helpful for as well.